I live in New York, and I don't like it, but it's too late. Here's why I don't like it, because I like nature. There's no nature here. There's no wildlife, you know? I've been living in New York for 30 years, and I saw a bee one time. I saw a bee in 1997 on 38th Street, and it was dead. Yeah, somebody shot a bee. I love nature. I love going way out. You ever go way out where it's like quiet, you know? You look at your phone, there's only one bar, and it's a gay bar. You know, just peaceful. Everything in nature is connected. Like, I was thinking about the sun the other day. I was thinking about the sun, and I was thinking about how vaginas are like the sun. The sun and vaginas have something in common, which is that they're both great. First of all, they're both so good. They're so good. Like, really, like vaginas. Just for a second, just take a second. Shh, just shh. Just remember. And the sun is great. But here's how they're connected. Because the sun and vaginas are both the source of life and joy, but also don't look at it. Really, seriously, don't look at it. Just be like, I know it's right there, I'm very grateful. But never look right at it. You'll regret it. My mom... What? Wait, no, people. I'm changing the subject. I'm changing the subject. Jesus. My mom had a really disgusting vagina. Nah, it was, you know. I mean, it was aight, you know.